Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to approach making solutions at home, focusing on safety and accurate information. Many people wonder about making iodine solutions with just salt and water. It's important to understand that creating a true iodine solution, like those used for antiseptic purposes, requires specific chemical compounds such as elemental iodine and potassium iodide. Simple table salt and water cannot produce this type of solution safely or effectively at home. While a true iodine solution isn't feasible with just salt and water, you can easily make a basic saline solution at home. This simple mixture of salt and water is incredibly useful for many purposes. To prepare it, you'll need non-iodized table salt, clean water, a pot with a lid for boiling, and a clean, airtight container for storage. Remember, this is a saline solution, not an iodine solution, and they have different applications. Preparing a sterile saline solution is straightforward. First, boil 2 cups of tap water in a covered pot for at least 5 minutes. This helps sterilize it. Let the water cool completely to room temperature. Then, add 1 teaspoon of non-iodized salt, stirring until it fully dissolves. Carefully pour your homemade saline into a clean, airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator and use it within 24 hours for best results. Homemade saline solution has several safe uses, including nasal rinses, gargling for a sore throat, and cleaning minor cuts or new piercings. It is crucial to always use non-iodized salt to prevent irritation. Remember to discard any unused solution after 24 hours to avoid bacterial growth. Importantly, never use homemade saline for eye rinses or contact lenses, as it lacks the specific buffers needed for those delicate applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.